Camp Mystic is at the center of a heartbreaking tragedy after severe flash floods swept through the Texas campsite, claiming the lives of 27 children and counselors. The camp, known for its outdoor activities and summer programs, was caught off guard as rapidly rising waters turned a place of joy into a scene of devastation in a matter of hours. Officials say the flash floods struck with little warning, overwhelming the area and leaving emergency responders racing against time. Survivors described chaos as campers and staff struggled to find higher ground, with many separated from their groups amid the rushing water. The scale of the loss has left families and the local community in deep mourning. This disaster is now fueling urgent conversations about the increasing risks posed by extreme weather events, especially as 2025 continues to see record-breaking storms and floods. Experts point out that youth camps and outdoor recreation sites may be especially vulnerable, raising concerns about whether current safety protocols and emergency plans are enough in the face of rapidly changing climate conditions. Authorities are now investigating how the camp prepared for such emergencies and whether more could have been done to prevent the tragedy. The incident has prompted calls for stricter regulations, better early warning systems, and improved training for staff responsible for children in outdoor settings.